What to expect when you're getting a hair system. Thank you for booking your consultation with Superhairpieces. Before a consultation with us, I'd like to give you a better understanding of what's entailed when getting a hair system. One of the first things you should consider when getting a system is how you're going to attach that system to your head. This will help us determine the size and the system that best suits your needs. Are you looking to take your system off regularly? Then maybe clips or daily tape is the way to go. Or perhaps you want a system attached in a semi-permanent way. Then you might want to use a stronger tape and glue combination. All of our adhesives are safe and made for human use. And if you're worried about sensitivity, you can always do a patch test during your consultation. Do you have an active job? Do you work out at the gym regularly, or perhaps live or vacation in a humid spot? All of these factors are important for your consultant to know to ensure the best recommendations for your system. So, what is your budget? We have a variety of systems ranging from thin disposable skins to a sturdy monofilament poly bases. So if you're looking for something more natural, you may have to invest in more systems in the year. However, if your durability is a final goal, the naturalism of the system may be compromised. Whatever your requirements, we are sure to have something that will suit your budget. What happens during an installation? Once your system has been ordered, you'll come in for your installation appointment. During this appointment, we attach the system as per the method you discussed during your consultation. If you're looking to attach in a semi-permanent fashion, please note we will need to shave your head to attach the system securely. Then the stylist will cut and style your hair to your desired look. The end of the appointment is not the end. System needs maintenance. You will be required to wash and clean your system regularly. This will not only keep your system in good condition, but also your scalp. You can opt to have your services done in our salon by professionals with professional products at our fingertips, or you can purchase supplies at www.superhairpieces.com and get tips and tricks of doing it yourself on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at your consultation. Bye.